Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what the tool needs. The only way manager, model, and texture files, plus backups of the original player assets. Download or copy the obj or FBX and matching maps into a working folder. Label them clearly. Once done, open the mod manager and point it to that folder so it recognizes assets. Make sure game version and mod manager versions match. Mismatches cause import failures. You are now ready to import the model. You now import the mesh via the Only Way wizard, following prompts step by step. Assign each texture to its corresponding slot, albedo, normal, ow, metallic, and roughness, and preview the result in the viewer. Once assigned, adjust UV scale and pivot so the model aligns with the player rig. Small offsets break animations. Then select a material preset and run a quick bake to generate game-ready maps. If shading looks off, tweak roughness or normal strength and rebake. You bind the model to the player skeleton, either manual weight painting or the auto rig option in Only Way, so animations transfer correctly. Once bound, export the packaged mod and enable it in the manager, then launch the game and test multiple animations: idle, run, jump, and cutscenes. If you see clipping or scale problems, return to pivot and weight settings, adjust, and re-export. Tip: if the model fails to load, check console logs for missing textures or
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.